Hello and welcome to Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. Fred here, going to run through the trade with you on this 14th day of November 2025. And once again, the setup is we're going to look for our strong candle indicator, which you can only find at Samurai Day Trading. It tells us the direction that we should trade and the candles that we should trade. So this one we came up, we have a bunch of failure. Then we get this amazing strong candle. Now, there's a lot of risk on this particular one. So we do need to wait for a pullback before we go ahead and send this short. But the market is very volatile today. I expect the next candle to be around 130 ticks in length. Therefore, we're going to break out the big guns from an ATM standpoint. We're going to go for 40 tick first target. Then we're going to go for hundreds and 200s. Again, that's about as big as we get. We could always move them if we want to, but I think that's pretty good spotting right there. All right, so here's how it went down in the LTR today. We're going to sell off. It just needs to push up a bit. There we go. That's what we're looking for. We'll go off the body of the candle. Now we just need to wait for it to pick us up. Once it picks us up, we'll speed it up a little bit. And this is great. The reason we wait for the retrace is if this wants to just keep on going long, then brilliant. No harm, no foul. We're not involved. But if it does fail here and come back the other way, that looks like it's going to be a 50 retrace, meaning I put a Fibonacci on. Look at that. It touches the 50 to the tick. That's a perfect retrace. Perfect retrace. Now we wait to get picked up. We could actually use that retrace for our stop. We're not going to because the last major failure point's up here. But that's what we call a structured retrace. We're just waiting now for it to breeze on back down and pick us up. That's only the first minute of the candle. And I have to do it at regular speed because I need to make sure that we don't get jumped on any of our targets. Maybe we'll do it 2 times speed. All right, there we go. Okay, so we're in. We need to put our stop where it belongs, which is way up here. Now, as soon as we hit our first target, we're going to de-risk the trade. We have a 40 tick first target. We're then going to move our stop to minus 38. So we're going to have 80 tick spread. And the worst that can happen is we'll get there we go, boom. So 2 times 40, that's 80 ticks on NQ. That's worth 400 US dollars. Worst case scenario, we get stopped out here, or not stopped out, but it comes out and takes our stop out. That is that's a big, big if. We'll just put another order on. It's possible. And that's why we give ourselves 80 ticks of room. Let the market play around a little bit in this area. And if it wants to keep going short, it'll keep going short. So many people just go to plus one right away. And invariably, the candles come back and take out all those plus ones and race to your other targets. It happens time and time again. So why not make an ATM that gives you a little bit more room, lets the market play in this little bit of area right here, and then now you can probably come by and take it out to plus one, but we just leave it where it is and let the market do what it's going to do. All right, we're going to speed it up a little bit. This is 4 times the market speed right now. And we're getting ready. We're getting finished with the first candle. That's our 40 tick targets out. This closes outside the range of the previous candle. There's no need to get out of the trade. We just need to be patient. And here it comes. Oh, touches our 100 tick target. Didn't pay yet. This is also the third candle of the run. Invariably, that's going to push down. And there are 100 tick targets out. So we got 2 times 40 and 100. So we have 180 ticks banked. And we have a 40 tick or minus 38 tick possible loss if this comes off of that brick wall and wants to go long. But let's just lay it out here and see what happens. Boom, boom, it's out. All right, lovely. That trade right there was worth 1,925 US dollars and took 9 minutes to complete. So if you want to learn how to make $1,900 in 9 minutes, come and join us at SamuraiDayTrading.com. That's SamuraiDayTrading.com, the only place you're going to find your strong candle indicator. And also we have a wonderful course to teach you how to trade if you're interested. All kinds of goodies there. So go to SamuraiDayTrading.com and we'll look forward to seeing you in the live trading room real soon. So God bless and we'll see you next time.